Publish proof of expertise until organisers are the ones calling you. Find out more in today's show. Welcome back to Year 5 of this weekly edition every Friday of the Japan Business Mastery Show. I'm your host, Dr. Greg Story, Dale Carnegie franchise owner, Tokyo, master trainer, president of Dale Carnegie Tokyo, and best-selling author. We are bringing the show to you from our studio in the High Performance Center in Akasaka in Minato-ku, the business center of Tokyo. Now, this is episode number 277, From Invisible to In Demand. Speaking grows your brand. Before we get going, a quick word from our sponsor. If you want to become a fully competent and confident presenter, then do the High Impact Presentations course. We are all being judged when we speak, be it in the internal team meeting or in a public environment, be it the big bosses, clients, or an industry audience. Everyone is evaluating us. Don't blow it. Get the best training on the planet. Do the High Impact Presentations course now in either Japanese or English. Speaking in public means our personal and professional brands are on show. Let's make it a total success. Japan Presentations Mastery is the Bible for presenting in Japan. This is the most comprehensive collection of experience and insight on presenting that you will ever need. Don't work it out by trial and error. Buy Japan Presentations Mastery and learn how to be confident, clear, and persuasive. Buy Japan Presentations Mastery now. Welcome back. Okay, now it's time for the show. それでは行きましょう. So let's get going. A business leader told me he was invisible in his own industry. Competitors owned the stage, owned the search results, and owned the buyer's mind. He wanted the phone to ring for him. The fix isn't a mystery. It's a publishing mindset. Start with problems your buyers keep raising. List 10. Write short answers or record them if writing isn't easy for you. Combine related points into a flagship article and submit it to industry or chamber magazines. Expect edits. Publication gives you credibility and a searchable link. Now, repurpose. Break that flagship text back into single-issue posts, publish on your site, mail your list, and schedule across platforms. Each post points to the flagship and carries a speaking call to action with outcomes, not slogans. Pitch conference organizers. Send the published article, 3 talk titles with promised outcomes, and clips that prove pace and clarity. Offer to tailor examples for Japan-based audiences. If event sells slots, weigh brand value and audience quality before paying. Add podcasts, guests on niche shows, then start your own, but only if you can keep a constant, predictable rhythm. After each episode, create clips, quotes, and show notes, and embed everything on your site. Use simple video, phone, tripod, clip-on mic. Start with your hook, one idea, one example, one action. Under 90 seconds. Add captions and post everywhere. Transcribe, tidy up, and republish as articles. This is multi-purposing. It multiplies doorways to you so organizers and buyers can find proof you're the expert they need. Money isn't the limiter here. Consistency is. Start and then keep going. I hope you enjoyed today's show, and so please subscribe on YouTube. Share it with your family, friends, and colleagues. Become a regular. Hit the little bell icon to receive update notifications. Our website details are on screen now, www.dale-carnegie.cojp. It's packed with value, so certainly check it out. We try to offer as much value as possible, so you might also enjoy our other shows. In fact, we are releasing content 6 days a week. For podcasts, Mondays for the Cutting Edge Japan Business Show, Tuesday for the Presentations Japan series, and every second Tuesday for the Business Tatsujin no Oshie Show, Wednesdays for the Sales Japan series, Thursdays for the Leadership Japan series, and every second Thursday for the Business Pro Podcast Show, Fridays for the Japan Business Mastery Show, and Saturdays for Japan's top business interviews. Now you get these wherever you get your podcast. Also, every Monday we release the Cutting Edge Japan Business Show. Every second Thursday we release the Business Pro Television Show, and every Friday the Japan Business Mastery Show. Saturdays, every Saturday, we are releasing Japan's top business interviews. These are all on YouTube. We appreciate your support, and please let others know about it so they can benefit too. We want to make a contribution to helping people build their careers and businesses, and so please join with us in that endeavor. In episode number 278, we are talking about your face is the firm. Master persuasive speaking. Onegai itashimasu. Please join me next week to master business here, because that is what we all want, isn't it? Japan business mastery.